Today's topic is complex number. So complex number is a very important topic, especially in the point of 11th class and also for the point of G mains. In G mains and G advanced, you get a lot of questions from this chapter. So what is complex number actually? So the study of complex number arises due to ये start क्यों हुआ? हम लोग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन पढ़े हैं. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एक मान लीजिए x² + 1 = 0. ये कोई क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आपको मिला. अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करना चाहें, जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमको आएगा x² = -1 और x = √(-1) with प्लस साइन. ओके, तो यहां पे जब आपको अंडर रूट में -1 आ जाता है, then here our solution does not exist in real numbers what we study in the number system till 10th class. In 11th class a new number system arises, that is called complex number. In that complex number of number system, the solution of this equation is possible. So we have studied that natural numbers is a subset of whole number. Whole numbers is a subset of rational numbers. Rational numbers is a subset of real numbers, and real numbers is a subset of complex number. Do you understand that now? So complex numbers is actually the subset of all the number system set you know till now. Okay, so in case of some complex numbers, first of all you have to understand that if x is equal to √(-1), here a thing arises that is √(-1). So while using √(-1), we are not able to solve any question. So we have named this quantity as iota, and it is represented by sign I. By using this iota symbol, our solution will be possible. So first of all, we will study about what properties of iota. What is the properties of iota? We know that I is equal to √(-1). By squaring both sides, we will get what? I square, that is equal to -1. If we have to calculate I cube, what will we do? We will write I cube as I square into I. And what is the value of I square? -1. What is the value of I? I, and -1 multiplied by I will become -I. Now, if we square this thing, I square whole square, what will we get? We will get I to the power 4. And squaring both sides with this quantity, we will get -1 square, that is equal to 1. So we got 4 values of iota. What are the 4 values? I is equal to √(-1), I square is equal to -1, I cube is equal to -I, and I4 is equal to 1. When we add these 4 quantities, that is I plus I square plus I cube plus I4, we will get I -1 minus I plus 1, that is equal to 0. So 4 consecutive powers of iota will lead to the sum of 0. Are you getting it? So it is a very important result which will be used in the various questions of G mains and G advanced also. In 11th class it is not so much important. In 11th class we have to study only about the standard form of complex number. What is the standard form of complex number? The standard form of complex number is z is equal to a plus ib, where a is equal to real part and b is equal to imaginary parts. These are called imaginary because this can't be studied in the real world. So till 10th you have studied about the real number, but when you enter into the 11th class you have to study about the imaginary powers, because from 11th your imagination starts. And you know that one thing you must remember, only a good person who can imagine a good thing can only get a good rank in the IIT G advanced or IIT G mains, because if you can't imagine yourself as an IITian, you are not going to get results. That's why this complex number is a very important topic in your 11th class lecture. Okay, we will continue it in the next class. Thank you.